Hello everyone, this is Shane Desron, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to map on mobile. So first what you're going to do is you're going to want to go to whatever like Play Store or App Store, because I know it's different on Apple and Android. So you're going to search up Flip a Clip and then you're going to download it. So why do I sound so sick right now? I don't know why, but you're going to install. I already have it. And then you're going to click open. So this map I've already done. I'm only going to do Europe, not all these other stuff, because this is just a tutorial. If it wasn't, I would include like this part of Canada and like Greenland and Iceland and this part of Africa, Asia, and yeah, but since this is a tutorial, I'm just going to do Europe. So you don't want your maps to be like this. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to this you're going to want to go to this, well, you can see it on screen, right? It's on the left, that little paint bucket. So you're gonna select, I don't really care, but it can just be a green. You can select from this little color thing right there, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna fill every single country with it. So and yes, if someone says Kosovo is part of Serbia, I hate you. So Kosovo is independent. Oop, gotta deal with that. Okay. Gotta fill in Luxembourg, Switzerland, Italy, Spain, Portugal, Ireland, the UK, Denmark. I'm pretty sure that's all of it. Yep, that's all. Okay. So now you gotta draw the country balls of each one. I'm just gonna do Poland first because a lot of people get confused. So the red, for some reason, the Poland ball, it isn't Poland's flag. So, like, let's say if you go to Google, wait, no, not Google, not search up Google, and then you type in Poland flag. You'll see that it's white and red, but we're not gonna do that in country balls. So what you want to do is you're gonna want to draw the circle. That one was kind of a bad one, so and then you're gonna get the red first. You're gonna draw a line in the middle, and then you're gonna put the red on the top. So you're gonna use the fill feature and put that in. And then you're going to see these little things that make it a bit weird. And then there you go. And then you're going to fill in, you're going to go to the paint bucket again, and then you're going to fill the rest in with a white. And then obviously you've got to draw the eyes, so you're going to do that. You can do whatever eyes you want. Like, that's just an example of one. And then you can also do a confused one. Hold on. You can also just do a normal one. And if you do a normal one, then that one isn't really good. That was that one. No, oh my god, the one on the left is perfect. Okay, so if you got that and you wanted the eyes to be perfect, select this the middle button right there. And then you're gonna circle around that, and then the little copy button at the top. There it is. You're gonna click it, and then you're gonna click the button to the right, beside of that to the right, and then you're gonna drag it over, and then there you have two eyes. And this is looking a bit cursed right now. If you're new to country balls, you don't know why it looks cursed, but the middle of the eyes always have to be white. No matter what, they always have to be white. Oh, and I forgot to do the ocean as well. So you're going to select the ocean color again. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So I forgot to fill in Iceland. So we're going to go ahead and do that again. And there we go. So once you've drawn all the country balls, then I'm not going to do country balls for this episode. So I'm just going to fill it in with a green. But I recommend you do country balls, because then you can get a lot more viewers and then possibly more subscribers, and people would be more interested. But just for the tutorial, I'm not going to do it. Okay, so yes, I did make that for nothing, but I was just showing you guys. I'm not going to use this map for an actual video. Well, this is an actual video, but it's a tutorial, so it doesn't really count. So I forgot to fill in this part of Denmark as well. So the first thing that we're going to do is, so we're going to say, so I'm just going to make Estonia say something really quickly. So can I into Nordic? Question mark. And then you're going to make that a lot smaller. And then you're going to make Estonia, the fill bucket, white. And the text button is the last one right there. So we're going to make Estonia say, can I into Nordic? And then we're going to, oops, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. So, good thing these didn't change. Okay. And then the next thing that you're going to want to do is click the copy button that I already showed you guys at the top again. And at the bottom, you're going to see like a little plus button. Click that. And then paste it until it gets to 10. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now when you hit play, it's just going to be the same thing. And you're going to wonder, Shane, why would you put the exact same thing for 10 things? Because like if you did this with 1 and you made another slide and you did another thing where like Sweden was saying like no, you can't into Nordic, then it would just be super flashing, like super fast. So that's why you don't want to do that. So now on the 10th one, you're going to make Sweden say, hold on. So on the left right there, you're going to make your brush or whatever bigger. So just slide it up. And then you're going to select the ocean, and you're just going to get rid of that. And then I'm just going to make Sweden declare war on Estonia. And then no. And for some reason, like in real life, Sweden has these really weird O's. So you're going to just hold down the O, and then there you go. That's what like most country ball episodes do. And then declares war on Estonia. Okay. So now we have this. So then we're going to paste this until 20. $17, 18, 19, 20. And then you're going to make the attacker, that's what we call it in country ball, at least that's what I call it. You're going to make the attacker red. And the defender, the person who didn't start the war, blue. And once a country declares war on someone, you can't just say, you have to make the color lighter. So like you can go back to the red and just slide it to the left a little bit. You can't just say, hold on, this is super big. You can't just say, ooh, now Sweden has all of this. Ooh, yeah. No, you can't do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to make this slider thing even smaller. And maybe not that small. So maybe like up to 5. And then you're just going to select that. And then you're going to copy that. And then you're going to select a little bit more. That. Wait, hold on. So you select the copy button. That. And then you're going to select even. And then you're going to make Sweden have even more of Estonia. And then copy, paste. And then we're going to have all of Estonia now because we took the capital. And then, so now we're going to make it say, so what was I doing again? Sorry, I just had to pause the video for a second. Oh yeah, I was going to make that, let's make this letter thing a lot bigger. So now, we're going to make it say, what should we make it say? Estonia is going to say, I surrender. And then you're going to fill it in with white as if it's talking again. And then, since the countries have no names, like I didn't put the names in, or country balls, we don't really, so, we have to copy this a bit more, so people actually know that Estonia surrendered, so let's say 36. And then, we're gonna, so we're gonna copy this one, and since it has no names, I don't really need to change any of the boxes, and then all I need to do, like, I don't know what I'm saying, box countries, because they have no names, so I can just say that this part of the Baltic stuff is now part of Sweden without actually having to do anything. So I'm gonna make the slider thing bigger again. And that is basically how you make maps on mobile. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya!